This week's guest on Yardstyle Live is Richard Stevenson. I would know him as Richie Stevens.
Yes, Virgin.
What was that? Richard or Richie? Richie is
man, anything you want.
well, it's if Yardstyle Live, me have got us do it on a level. Me have say Richard Stevenson, or me got to say right now in the next part, me say Richie. Me I go swing it.
All right.
Because
as you say, whichever one you pick, you know.
Because me in the presence of, me call it every time, you know, reggae royalty. Richie Stevens, singer, songwriter, innovator, producer. Zine, you have so many accolades. I mean, me I follow your career from the 1990s till the present time now, and you never fall. You just kept going higher, higher, higher. I talk from record shop days, from the King Jammy's experience, from the Spec Sham experience, till when Richie Stevens have his own label, Pot of Gold, which produce beer pot, whole heap of gold hits. Richie Stevens, sorry, but me just have to give you. Me don't want to say flowers, you know. Me I give you honors.